Good morning, John Bear, Anthem North America. I'm in a really cool place today. I am at Peggy's Cove in Nova Scotia, which is just south of Halifax. Not that far. It's a long ride because it's a windy, skinny road through hills and little villages. But I'm gonna show you what's around here, man. You can see there's a lighthouse. There's a lighthouse over there. I'll get some other video too, but look at what I'm looking at. Look at this town. Look at that town down there. So I'm at a restaurant here with Daisy. Somebody told me to come here, and I said if I didn't come here, I would miss the entire essence of Nova Scotia. She might have been right, because this place is awesome. So this is cool. This is Peggy's Cove. That's a lighthouse. And there's these huge rock formations all around that people are walking on. And it's amazingly beautiful. So if I missed this, I would have missed a really big thing. But I didn't. Know who else didn't? Adventure Dog Daisy. This is Adventure Dog Daisy. Adventure Dog Daisy on a big rock, looking around with the lighthouse behind her and people walking on rocks. But Daisy's walking on a rock. Not many dogs get to do this. But Daisy's doing it. This is definitely the most touristy thing I've done on my trip. Come to Peggy's Cove to hang out. I just ate breakfast here with Daisy. We split it 50-50. And now I'm standing here with all this around me. You were right. I think if I missed this, it would have been a real miss. But I'm not missing it because I'm right here with this dog. Here is where I am right now, at the campground. Graves Park in Chester, Nova Scotia. Spectacular view. One of the things is along this path that we just drove down a little bit, every once in a while there's a little perch where people come sit. Look at this. Freaking amazing.